Hello everyone, welcome to biology online practical classes. Okay, today I will be performing two experiments, that is diffusion and osmosis, which is from absorption by root chapter. So first of all we will do with experiment 1, that is to demonstrate the process of diffusion. Here we will see that how molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Now, what are the materials required for this experiment? A beaker, water and potassium permanganate. Now, what is the procedure? Number 1, first step is that fill the beaker with water. Number 2 is leave it some time to become completely still. Okay, it have to be left almost 1 hour or half an hour. Third step is drop some crystals of potassium permanganate in the water. Then after that, the fourth step is periodically observe the changes, that is from the bottom to the top.
Now here I have taken a beaker filled with water which has been kept for half an hour to remain still. Now I am going to take this potassium permanganate crystals and I am going to add few, okay, very few. Okay, from the top I am adding now. Slowly from the bottom end you observe till the top. Periodically you need to be observing from the lower end to the upper end. So as you can see how these colors are concentrated at the bottom end. Slowly what will happen, this color will diffuse, potassium permanganate crystals will diffuse, moving from the lower end to the upper end, and finally after some time you will observe that the whole water becomes purple in color, that it becomes uniform in nature. Now we will move to the second experiment, that is experiment 2. Now in this experiment the aim is to show the process of osmosis through a semi-permeable membrane. Okay, so in this experiment we will see that how molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. And for today's experiment we have taken fish bladder as a semi-permeable membrane. Now, what are the materials required for this experiment? Okay, first one is Thistell funnel. Okay, then a beaker, water, concentrated sugar solution, stand with a clamp. Now, what are the procedure? First step is take a Thistell funnel and tie to its wide mouth with a fish bladder. Second step, fill concentrated sugar solution syrup in the Thistell funnel. Third step, immerse the wide mouth of the Thistell funnel in the beaker filled with water and clamp it with a stand. Fourth step, now mark the label of sugar solution in the tube of the Thistell funnel as A. The last step, okay, that is the fifth step, leave the apparatus undisturbed for an hour and observe the label of solution in the tube. When final label has reached, okay, then what you do, you mark it as B. Okay. But before performing Thistell funnel experiment, we will try to understand what is the logic behind swelling of this resin. Okay, resin is a dry grapes Okay, this I am going to take few resin and put it in a petri dish. Then after that I will add water. Okay, I will add water and leave it for some time. Okay, it can be few hours also. Then let's see after few hours what happens with resin. Now this one is Thistell funnel with its wide mouth. Okay, to the wide mouth side I have tied with fish bladder. Okay, so I have tied with a string. Okay, and here at one end it is fish bladder. This will act as a semi permeable membrane. Okay, now what I will do, I will just clamp it with a stand. Okay, and I will lower it into the beaker containing water. I have inserted here cotton so that what will happen, the tube may not get cracked. Okay, I will just lower it. Now what I will do, now with the help of funnel I am going to put this 10% sugar solution, that is 10 gram sugar in 100 ml of water, okay, through this funnel into the Thistell funnel. Now you can see that I have added 10% sugar solution in this Thistell funnel tube, and you can see this label. Okay, this I will mark it as A. Okay, up to here I will mark it as A and leave it for some time. Okay, for half an hour. Let's see that after half an hour what happens to this sugar solution after half an hour to 1 hour. Now you can see after 1.5 hours, okay, almost say 2 hours, the resin has swelled up. Okay, that means this what it has happened, the membrane outside acts as a semi permeable membrane. Inside in the dry resin concentrated sugar molecule was there, that means less amount of water, no water at all. Okay, so here what happened, the molecules from higher concentration, that means this water is more, water is less, water was less in this resin. Now what has happened, the molecule moved from higher concentration to lower concentration. This is osmosis, and here what has happened, the molecule has moved from water, it has moved inside the resin, that is why it is called endoosmosis. Now we are going to perform with the same logic, we are going to perform the Thistell funnel experiment. Approximately after 3 hours you can see the water level, that is the sugar solution inside the Thistell funnel, has risen up to this mark. Okay, this I will mark it as B. Okay, now what do you understand from this experiment? Okay, here you can see that the fish bladder acted as a semi permeable membrane. Inside the Thistell funnel tube concentrated sugar molecule were present, that means less amount of water is present. Okay, in the beaker you can see the water that acts as a lower concentration, okay, higher concentration, and the water molecule from higher concentration has moved to the lower concentration. So when I say lower concentration, less amount of water are present in the sugar solution. Okay, so this way the plant absorb water and minerals. So if we try to compare with the root, okay, now let's try to relate with the absorption by root chapter. Okay, so here the Thistell funnel acted as a root. Inside you find the sugar solution that acted as a cell sap. Inside the cell sap you have to understand that it contains less amount of water, concentrated chemicals are present, that is why it is called as cell sap. So it is a region of lower concentration. Now what has happened, the water from the soil, okay, that means when I talk about soil you have to understand the water that is present in a beaker acts as a water present inside the soil. this water moves into the tube, thistle funnel tube, which acted as a root. So this way plant absorb water and minerals, okay, by the process, one of the process that is called as osmosis.